Recently, I found this website. It's called Pond5, and it's a public domain project. Uh, what that means, or public domain means, and they actually have like a little video that you can watch if you're not quite sure what it is. It just means that these are certain films and footage, music, etc., that has fallen into the public domain, meaning it's not owned by anyone. So you can use it without being subject to copyright or having to pay someone. So these are all free. This is also a very cool website where they actually have like audio and images, sometimes 3D models, I guess if you do printing of some sort, and then footage, which would be video. So I would highly suggest if you want to make an account here, you do need to put in some of your information. However, it doesn't require any credit card at all to be able to access these free files. The main thing also is Pond5, you want to make sure it's the /free version, because if you go to just regular old Pond5, then they'll try and get you into a membership as well. Basically, you just search for what you're looking for. I'm going to click on footage, and then it kind of shows all the different types of things. A lot of this stuff is just kind of older footage from, like, I guess wartime, and then like maybe informational videos, like maybe you just need like a bunch of boys sitting in a classroom with some little girls, I guess. And you can even make a story out of these. You can also see here what other types of filters that you can use, types of people as well, and the frames per second, which we'll go into. But you probably know what kind of frames per second you need based off of your film. You can also see if it's like for commercial use or editorial use. So, say for instance, something that isn't going to be for making money versus commercial, which is going to be making money. So, you can actually, like for instance, for class, you could probably use either of these, but this would be simply editorial use, possibly, if you were going to not make money off of your content. But if you wanted to make a film and you wanted to make money off it, you would have to make sure that it's underneath commercial lists. So yeah, it's a really, really cool website here. You can go ahead and take a look, and I hope that you can use some of this footage here for your films as well. All right.